In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear upper control arm on this Lincoln Navigator. You'll have one of these on each side on the rear of your vehicle. The process will be the same for either side. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing that we need to do is safely raise and support the rear of the vehicle so the wheels are off the ground. Once you've done that, continue on to removing your center cover. We'll do that using a pry bar. Carefully get in between this area and pop this out of place. A quick inspection, set it aside. Once you have that done, continue on to your 5 21mm lug nuts and then remove the wheel. Now that we have the wheel out of the way, you have a nice clear view of your upper control arm. To start removing this, we're going to remove this area right here. You'll find that you have a 13mm bolt that holds this in place. Remove it. Inspect your hardware as you remove it. Replace it as necessary. We'll take hold of this, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the differential. Now we can start removing our mounting bolt. We'll start with the rearward bolt. For this one, you're going to use a 21mm. You'll notice as far as the nut, it's a captive nut. It's held in place. If it happens to strip out, just use a 24mm wrench. There's that. Quick inspection, set it aside. Now we can move to our forward bolt. We'll use a 21mm to hold the head and a 24mm to remove the nut. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new control arm. First, look at the ends. You'll find one has this flat edge coming across here, and the other side does not. Take the side with the flat edge towards the front. Once you have that properly aligned, continue on with your 2 mounting bolts. We'll take these from the inside facing out. Now to align the rearward hole, you're going to want to start safely raising your rear differential. Once you have it aligned, start your mounting bolt through there. Let's get that brand new mounting nut in place. Slide it right down here, align it with the mounting bolt hole, and start the mounting bolt into it. Now that we have that started in place, we can start tightening it. When I do this, I still use a 24mm wrench to hold the nut for good measure. Now we can make our way to the forward bolt. Torque each of these to 100 foot-pounds. Remove your support from under the differential. Continue on to your jounce bumper. We'll get this into position, align our mounting bolt hole, start it in, snug it up. Make sure it's secured to the differential. Now we can reinstall our wheel. Start on all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts and bottom them out. Once you have that done, put your wheel back safely on the ground. Torque each of your lug nuts to 150 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. Torqued. If you have a center cover, put that on now. Looking at the back, you can tell that you have 5 holes that need to line up. Line it up, knock it in. Okay friends, we've got our control arm installed in the vehicle. At this point, go ahead and take it for a road test. Make sure everything functions properly and get yourself safely down to your local alignment shop. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.